Hi, it's Jocelyn from the Jocelyn Russo group. I hope you and your family are doing well during these challenging times. It's March 2020 and I'm here to give you your housing market update. What's going on in the housing market? Well, it's going day by day, hour by hour. We are seeing buyers and sellers put a hold on their move because of the fears that they have. So we are supporting them and constantly in communication with them. However, a lot of people still need to make a move and buy a property or sell their house. So we are going into protocol with smart marketing and safety by going virtual with everything. This may be the new norm for the industry. So virtual open houses, virtual buyer consultations, virtual seller listing presentations, virtual offers, virtual showings. Things are going to change in society with real estate. So you really need to make sure you are working with somebody who is changing with the times. We are constantly communicating with our clients, family, and friends on what's going on and how to handle and adapt to these changes. So make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Now, all of our researchers are saying this will pass. So I do want to calm your fears of what the future of the housing market looks like. This will pass, but together it will be better. So please feel free to reach out to me and we can set up your virtual consultation today. This is Jocelyn, your realtor with the Jocelyn Russo Group. Hope you're safe, healthy, and well.